Okay, hello and welcome back to High School History. Today I am here with my friend and colleague Rupali, who teaches with me, and she's an economics teacher, an EdTech whiz, and a great master of how you can make your teaching and learning interactive, especially in this remote distance learning format that we have all been forced to do because of the coronavirus lockdown. So, welcome to the show, Rupali ma'am, and we can start without further ado.
Hi, Sanchita ma'am. I'm really glad to join you in your endeavor in making people understand that how technology can be so useful in, extending the entire session that we are doing in school otherwise. And this is a right platform which can be used during these hard times and without, stopping the regular teaching and learning process. So today I'm gonna be, showing important different ways of bringing collaboration in the classroom. How we can, after delivering the lesson, bring some kind of fun activity in the classroom, so that students have that, feel that they are again part of the physical classroom, doing things together, contributing in the lessons through some kind of a game. So these strategies will actually help the teachers to bring some gamification in the classroom and make the sessions exciting. So I'm going to be showcasing certain ways which I've been using in my own classes. So for that, I'll share my screen and take you to different ways of bringing collaboration in the classroom.
Absolutely, Rupali ma'am.
So during these hard times, what we are doing in our own school is that we are delivering our lessons as usual to grade 12 students. And as part of the collaborative activities, we are bringing in different Google apps, which are really, really beautiful in bringing collaboration in the classroom. One of the tools that we can use in our classrooms is Jamboard. So just as an exercise in my Google Classroom, I had given this collaborative activity. And if I want to view the assignment, I'll showcase you how students can do a group activity using Google Jamboard. So create
And
just
this can be
teacher
done
has to
absolutely live.
absolutely. So the
Yeah.
students can do the activity on the Google Jamboard, and the teacher sitting at home can see what students are doing on each frame of the Jamboard. So over here, a teacher has to just create one, assignment in which teacher can attach a Google Jamboard. And interesting thing is that within few seconds, you can just create an interactive virtual board on which all the students are working together. So a activity that can be showcased is that you have different frames depending upon the topics. The entire the chapter can be divided into certain topics, and the teacher can decide some groups beforehand. And I have just mentioned some groups here and the topic, and see, look at the beautiful work which has been done by the students of grade 12 in economics these days. So a group has worked on economic growth and development, then another frame wherein they have showcased consumer goods and capital goods industries. And within few seconds, you can see that such beautiful piece of work is being presented by the students. And then after the Jamboard activity, they can just discuss, and the discussions can be taken in groups depending upon the topic which is given to each group. So through these Google Jamboards, wherein you have different tools in the hands, wherein you can bring add some sticky notes, add some images, and bring the concept on a more pictorial basis. So this is one interesting collaborative activity which can be done using Google Jamboard. Another example that I can show you is bringing collaboration, and this can be done through Edpuzzle. So Edpuzzle is integrated with Google Classroom, and through my Edpuzzle in my own classes in grade 12, I can, you know, do some kind of an assignments in which I can show a video, like for instance, this video on introduction to macroeconomics. When I do that, I can give students time to watch the video. So the status of the video is shown to the teachers, and it's beautiful to see that students, all of the students are working together, they're watching the video together, and the teacher can ask questions in between of the video, and the answers can be, taken on the spot during my class. And when I asked what is GDP, all the students while watching the video has given me the answers. And as a teacher, it's beautiful when I'm having that interaction virtually, and I can pinpoint a child and read the answer written by the child and discuss the errors right away. So it's a
And also give
classroom
compliments if
interaction
the
which
child
is
has,
absolutely,
yeah,
I
and
can
also give
comment, I
compliments
can,
if the child has got it right. Yes.
yes, I can and also I can find errors, few things which are missing in the definition, and take my lesson forward. So these are just few examples. In fact, there are many examples which can be used for bringing collaborative learning. You can use Google Jamboard, you can use Google Slides, you can use different kinds of Google documents. Again, collaboration is done beforehand just to ensure that each and every student is given a defined territory to work on, and you bring in the entire collaborative lesson. In few minutes you can get the entire chapter summarized by the entire class beautifully. It's just that the teacher has to know these tools, and you can bring collaboration live in your own classrooms.
Yes, also I think it reduces the pressure on the teacher who is otherwise, stuck to her device as well and constantly talking. Because generally, when we are sitting in a classroom, that's not how we function in any case. We'll speak some, and then we get the kids to give in their opinions and their thoughts about topics. So yeah, it kind of makes it a little more real. Of course, distance learning can never be as real as really being present in the same physical classroom, but it comes close.
Absolutely. You can also ask questions in Google Classroom, and through that you get to know what students are thinking. You can check in their mood. You can, analyze what is the status at their end, and have more fruitful discussions after looking at the feedback.
Great, Rupali ma'am. There was a whole bunch of things that I learned from you as well. And let's hope that this time passes quickly. Yet this is also a great opportunity to be learning so many new things. I mean, who thought that people who were even afraid of the computer mouse really would now be sitting across a computer and talking to their children remotely? So I think with every challenge comes great opportunities.
Absolutely. I totally agree.
So thank you, Rupali ma'am, for being on our show this evening, and we will see you again soon. So thank you, audience, for watching
Okay.
as well. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below. If you want to learn anything else, do let us know so that we can prepare more videos for you in the future. Thank you so much, and signing out. Bye.